If you want to learn how to make the best potato dish, then you are at the right place. This video I'm going to show you how to make this delicious potato recipe. So let's begin. The first thing I added to the pan is vegetable oil. And I told myself that no matter what my lightning is doing today, I'm going to finish recording this video. I added chicken breast that has been marinated for 2 hours. Continue stirring the chicken until it's properly cooked. Take the chicken breast off the heat and set aside. This is exactly how you want your Irish potatoes to be thinly sliced because you don't want to eat uncooked potatoes. Don't forget to test the potatoes to make sure it is well cooked before adding any other ingredients. Next, I added the chopped garlic. You can cut your garlic however you want it. Add in onion. You can add as much as possible. If you don't like onion, I'm sorry. I love onion so much. Continue to stir until the onion is soft or translucent. I added thyme, coriander, sage powder, paprika powder, salt, unsalted butter and shredded cabbage. Stir until well incorporated. Don't forget we have a chicken that we set aside earlier. Add in the chicken and continue stirring for at least 2 minutes. To be honest with you guys, this potato dish is very delicious. I would want you to go and try it and come back and give me your honest review about this potato dish. Lastly, I sprinkle some parsley leaves for beautiful color and flavor. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so anytime I upload delicious and unique recipes, you will be the first to be notified.